bestie, so I'm about to tell you some other things that I learned in relationship that I will not, absolutely not want you to do the same. So listen carefully. First is over-explaining yourself. Kung nahigugmag ito sa imo, dili na kailangan og PowerPoint presentation para masabtan nimong feelings sa kailangan kag mga presentation whatsoever. Second, ignoring your intuition, just to be nice. Mao bitawng always trust your instinct, dili si pinanga para dili ka masakitan. So be wise, girls, be wise. Next is giving people access just because they're too familiar or they're familiar. No, no, no. You cannot do that because they're just going to take advantage of you. I'm not talking all of them, but most of them. Feeling guilty for having boundaries. Understand, bitch, na ang boundaries, protection na siya, ha? Protection sa imong self. Hindi na siya punishment, so learn to say no. Hard to say no, kaya naman mag-care man ta sa ilang mga feelings kasi masukop sila. Still do it now, you know. Nagyapon ko yung ng mga kuan nga. Mahalo ko makasilo og tao. Hindi na siya dapat may tolerate. Love yourself first before loving you. How can you love someone else if you don't love yourself? So you will end up loving them, giving all the love that you have, and left nothing to yourself. You give too much to people, who doesn't give a fuck about you? You will end up hurting yourself, trust me. Hatag effort sa mga tao nga di kabalo mo hatag og effort in return is absolutely not. It's give and take, not give or take. I'm matching effort. I'm not here to force a connection. So learn to value yourself. Once you see the red flag, run. Staying quiet just to keep the peace. Paghilom. Because I'm choosing honesty. Baka kami sa akong bana, bahalag, magbidigwasay, basta kay. Kung unsay nasa mga na, amo dyan siyang express. Kay the more ka mag-keep sa katao, makasanayan. Pag magkuan na ka, ikaw na lang mag-solve, ikaw na lang dili kay partner ba mo no. So kinahanglan, walay sikreto sa inyo duha. Sa relasyon, kailangan duha mong mag-solve sa problema. Yun ang isettle. Ana, so kami sa ako ang bana. Wala sa mo ng sweet na super sweet na lang tanan. Ay, kaya may ana. Pag nakoy kalagutan, wala ko jud ko na i-open jud ako na sa iya ha. So kabalo ko siya ko dili ko okay. Kaya di ko okay, kaya di man ko mag-pretend. Lahi na kay mga kayubusan whatsoever ipalabas. Di kay dito nimo ipalabas sa uban, lahi na mo comfort, di ba? Once anana nang sitwasyon medyo wala niyo na settle na magdugay. Well, based lang sa ako ang experience. So far, anana yun siya. Pag lahi na mo comfort, dito na paingon. Confusing attention with effort. So kung nang hinahanglan og attention kung nang imong effort is garbage. Amo ko uban ako sugay mag-sorry. Taman pa sa ilahang ba ang sorry? Human mo ra gyapon iya muon pagkaugma. O pagkasunod adlaw. Or sometimes butan lang sa isa ka bulan. Tas mo ra gyapon. And on. Leave. Kay wala na kausaban pag anana. Mao na gina siya. Di na mo mausab. Ang tao mag-usab na sila kung gusto nila para sa tao. Pero kung wala nag-usab para sa imo ha, di na para imo. And that's a fact. And people misinterpret my kindness to weakness. Hell no. You got the wrong one. I'm not the one. I swear I'm not the one. Maybe before. But I've learned a lot in life. So I don't think I'd say yes. If in my heart it's a no. So learn to say no. Learn to say no, it's not bad. It's protecting yourself. And you don't care what they think about you. I don't chase, explain, or tolerate anymore if it's causing my peace. So I suggest you should do the same. I have a husband who is very loving, very supportive, and provider. So I guess all of those experiences combined, it may be a better woman for my husband. So girlies, choose wisely. So love ya.